Ali Bongo Ondimba, President of Gabon, and I'm to send a message to all the friends that we have all over the world to tell them to make noise,
Hello, my people. We received an instruction yesterday from one of our brothers in Gabon. He said all of us, all the friends, we should start making noise. The instruction has been given. We asked that the fridge was there yesterday. The instruction has been given to everybody to make noise. Me, I've started making noise. Hey! No. See, if you know you don't want to help this man, if you know you don't want to help this man, that means you don't like that man. Though. Start making noise now. Start making noise. Help me call Zazu. Zazu will be the best person to help us. Let him start making noise. This man say we should start making noise. See my own. I'll bring my this one. I'm going to make noise all over the street. Thank you.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.